Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in isometric. So first we will draw length, width and height 49, height 39 and width 30. See, height 39, width 30. So we'll go 49 on the left side of O, right? So 49 will come on left side of O. We'll mark 49, height 39 and width 30 and we'll complete the box. See, this is part 1, this is part 2, this is part 3. A, B, C and D. Now what I need to do? This is part 1. So I'll mark distance 8 mm. I'll go down straight. And I will take this behind. I know that part A is nearer to me, that 1 in A. So that's why I'm drawing that. See. Now after that, I'll see part 2. Now part 2 is how much inside? It is 5 mm inside. 20 minus 30, 10. So 5 on both the sides. So I'll take 5 mm here as well as 5 mm here. And I'll draw a vertical line from here. See, this way. We'll draw that part 2. Whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. Then we'll see this part 3, which is how much inside? It is 8 given, right? 20 minus 8 is 12. Or we can take center point and we take 4 on both the sides. That way also we can do. So how much is this side? 12 plus 11, 23. So I'll go 23 up. I'll mark 12 also. And I will draw them. Now see this, part 2. That I can show like this. It is dark, right? Because we know that it is dark. And now part 3. See. This is 15, 15, right? So I'll mark 15. Then I'll go down straight. I'll go down by 12. Again 15. I'll go down. Now how much is this? See, this is 8, right? So you extend this behind by 8. 8. Take all these points behind by 8. So this is how it will come. And you can darken the remaining portion. So I hope you people have understood this sum. This is part 1, 2 and 3. See, this is how it goes inside. Thank you.